see if I can try to catch it again. So there's a lot of traffic around here tonight. Actually annoying. I'm going super slow, so cars behind me can go around. Just seeing somebody crossing the street. Their safety PPE on, lights on their head, looking like a Power Ranger. Man, it's a lot of traffic just out of nowhere. It's in front of me and behind me. There's just a lot of people getting off of work right now. Trying to catch this remote control locomotive again. It's in operation right now. The only thing that's messing it up right now is the traffic. So I guess you all can enjoy some of these views of the BP refinery at night and try to adjust my exposure a little bit. Yeah, it's slightly better. Slightly better. You know, there's people like, what the hell is this man doing? I'm a fucking foamer. I'm doing foamer shit. Leave me alone. I'm not bothering you. I need another fucking holder for my phone. Keep leaning to the left. She's moving again, but I don't know if she has to go to cross the street. That's what I'm waiting on. Just because she's moving doesn't mean she's going to cross the street. You know what I mean? You all can't see her, but the headlamp is right there to the left. Come on, cross the street, baby. That's what I want you to do. Bring her on. There she is to the left. All I want you to do is cross the street. That's it. Cross the street, baby. Yeah. That's all I want you to do. make a reverse move across the street. Please don't make a reverse move. There she go, right there. That's all I want you to do in the world, baby, is cross the street. Yes. I just need to see that. Going into the refinery over here. Remote control operations are very interesting to me. I've never actually got to see it up close. But I'm trying to get this fucking Jeep out of my shot. They got a green signal there. I wonder if that signal is off. Yeah, it gotta be. It's on the track. Very interesting. I'm very interested to learn more about remote control operations here. There might be a supervisor or yard master. Yeah, that is so cool. Not cool for the job. You know, you would rather see an actual engineer in that locomotive, but I'm still interested.